Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, someone has done excellent job here. You see the difference in shade. So a painted portion of here was come out because some stickers were sticked in, and what the guy did, went to a shop and used his imagination and brought a color and applied here. Do you see how ugly it looks? So what we are going to do in this video is to take this off. Okay, then I will go and I'll get a matching color and then I'll put, but that's another thing. Most important is how to remove paint from drywall. Okay, that's what we are going to do. So what I have here is a wet wipe. Okay, and I'm gonna put some acetone on it. It's not like too much, but remember the area where you are putting. Okay, so that you know which area to wipe off with. And you see right away when I apply, paint is coming out. You see, okay, so you can just shrug it off. Okay, so for small jobs like this kind of method is fine. Like if you have a spot or so something, this can easily be done. And remember guys, acetone evaporates. Okay, so you need to be very quick, and if you have a container, you need to like hold on it. Okay, means just close the lid of the container, otherwise it will gone. But what if it is like too much? Now in case you have to do it at a larger area, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use an oscillating tool. This is gonna be funny, but just hold on with me. So what I have done, I have attached this sanding blade. Okay, and I'm gonna put the sander on it. Okay, and I'm gonna put acetone here. Okay, and then I'm gonna wipe it out. But as I have said, acetone evaporates, so be careful, and the quantity should not be too much. Okay, just covering this whole area. If you have a spray, that means it's better. You see it's coming out. So in this way it can be done. Now I am gonna bring the matching color and I'm gonna put it on it. So that's how it works. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe. Thank you.